have no adjustment at this end, Leon.
No.
Absolutely none. That end has to stay where it's at. Those adjustments are only for putting the, what they call the set in the blade.
Oh.
Instead of having the blade perfectly lined up dead straight with the track, they always tilt the blade a little bit back edge away from the lumber.
A little bit more capsule, a bit more.
Well, it just tilts the blade away from the back edge of the blade.
Oh, I can see the marks where they've been hammering it, yeah. Okay.
It isn't very much.
Yeah. And they're all.
Yeah. Well, that's good.
I'm hoping we're gonna see quite a difference here.
We
Well, I
should.
think probably we are.
We'll just wait and
It's
see.
case model D.
Do you want to,
Powering
put
thing.
the cups on all those wheels? That one there on both sides, I think the other ones are just the single.
Both sides here.
And that there,
Just use the hand.
yeah, same oil on everything.
We already oiled the bearings on that roller, on the table. Now our main bearings and the shafts.
Someday, if you're in the right frame of mind, you can put a little more tape on that shaft to build it up a little bit.
Yeah, it
Bigger.
seems to be running pretty true, actually.
Yeah, it's running all right now, it's just a little bit to this edge.
Yeah, it's running almost centered there, so that's good.